In this episode of our survival series, expert guide Alex takes viewers deep into the art of natural navigation. He reveals how ancient explorers used the stars, sun, and natural landmarks as their compass. Alex demonstrates techniques like reading shadows with an improvised sundial and interpreting moss growth on trees to determine direction. He also explains how to use animal tracks and wind patterns in open terrains to maintain bearings. By the end of the episode, viewers will have gained insight into how they can harness nature's cues to find their way in the wilderness.